Welcome to the Steam Princess. And did you also know that I have pretty hair? Welcome to the Steam Princess and my hair. Today we're going to talk about the coronavirus and why it's so important to wash your hands. Has everyone in this city or in different countries, have they all heard about the coronavirus? It's going around the whole towns. What you need today is some food coloring, some soap that is purple, and also a bottle of milk. This almost looks like water. I guess I would pour it onto me. So we're going to do a sex experiment. Safety first. So I'm going to take off these glasses and hand them over to Mummy, which I just almost dropped them. Oh, now it's blurry again. I need to do that. How many times do you think I've done them? 1,000? Now you need to pour some milk very carefully on your plate. And not too much. Now we're going to pour a little bit of food coloring. I can't believe I get to do this into a pot of milk. It's turning green, yellow. Oopsie. Oh my goodness. What do you think that was? Was it a giant or something? That should be enough. And now I'm going to put some food coloring everywhere. It looks cool actually. Now we're on to yellow. The yellow is actually turning orange. Look at it! It looks so cool. Doesn't it look cool? Dip your finger into the soap. Oh. It was just dripping. Wow. Is this what it's supposed to look like? See how the soap repels all the colours? Did you see how the soap didn't mix with the colours? Washing your hands with soap repels the virus. Yeah. Wasn't that fun? Bye for now from the Steam Princess. See you later. And that for the Steam Princess, all sideways.